Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can do a quick check to see whether or not the Facebook pixels on your website is working. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Now, if you're planning to run some Facebook campaign and thinking to install your Facebook pixel to your website, right? So right after you actually follow the step-by-step instructions from Facebook on how to install the pixel to the website, and right now the question is whether or not you have successfully installed the Facebook pixel to the website. Yeah. So how do we able to do a quick check to ensure that the pixel is working? All right. So over right here, I would like to introduce a free tool, yeah, to allow you to do a quick check on this. Yeah. So currently I'm using a Google Chrome browser. So what you need to do is you just need to go to Chrome browser and search for this Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. All right. It's actually a free tool. But this it applies to those users that if you're using a Google Chrome, yeah. So I'm actually showing you on Google Chrome browser. All right. So when you go on Google Facebook Pixel Helper, you'll be able to see this Chrome extension. Okay. So we're going to add this Chrome extension to your browser. So how does it work over right here? When you click in, it will bring you to the Chrome web store. Yeah. So over right here, if you can see on the overview, right, right here, down here, it actually gives you an idea on how this extension works. Yeah? So pretty much very simple concept. So today, this extension is not only that it can help you to check on your own website, and at the same time, you can use it to check on all the other websites that is available on the internet. All right. So this tool is not limited to your own websites only. Okay, it allows you to check on your competitor website. It allows you to check on all the website. As long as the website that is accessible on the internet, you'll be able to do the quick check. All right. So here we go. If you can see this preview, it pretty much works very simple. As long as it detected that there's a pixel installed to the website and the pixel is working, and it will show the indicator. All right. So if let's say the pixel is working, it will show something like this, like loaded successfully. It will give you a green indication. If let's say they detected there's a pixel, however, the pixels, it might have a case where the pixels install in a wrong location. So maybe instead of like you insert to the header, you actually put it to the footer, and that might cause like the pixel is not loading. All right. So these pixels will tell you all the indicator whether or not this website have a pixel or the pixel is installed successfully. All right. So I think it's a very useful tool that at least it ensures, right, before we start to launch our Facebook campaign, our Facebook ads, it allows you to to ensure that, hey, my pixel is working and my pixel is tracking all the data. All right. So over right here, what do you need to do? If you can see, over 2 million of users already installed. Yeah. So what we can do is we can just go ahead, do a quick one, add to Chrome. As long as you are logging into your email, your Gmails, right? It's all good. Okay. So you can just go ahead, click on add to Chrome and add extension. All right. Right after you add it, you can see that it's actually going to show it on top of your browsers right there. So I'm going to close this, and one of the reason because I have too many extension. All right, so I'm going to click on my extension manager and I'm going to pin my extension out. Okay, so this is where I pin my Facebook pixel out over right here, or else you'll be just hidden and I have to call it out. So it's quite troublesome. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pin it over right here, and right now, okay, right now, this is where you go. Yeah, you go to the website that you want to check. So let's say this is my own website and I would like to do the checking on this, right? So you navigate to your website, and right now, very simple, this is just what you do. You come here, you click on the Facebook Pixel extension, and basically nothing happened, huh? So I have removed the pixel from my website. So this is where if let's say your website has no Facebook pixel, okay, and when the moment that you click on this pixel, it will just show like this, no pixel found, okay. Or perhaps if let's say you have any like you install any ad blocking, okay, ad blocking apps or extensions, right? These will also affect the extension that's working. So what you need to do, you need to deactivate all the ad blocking as well. And one of the main cost override here, like I mentioned, because I have removed that from my website. So when the moment that I check on the Facebook pixel, it basically says that there's no pixel found. Okay, so this is a very, very strong indicator for you. So for the case that you are sure and 100% sure that you already inserted the pixel to your website. However, if the Facebook pixel, this pixel helpers, right, is still showing that there's no pixel found, it simply means that you have installed it wrongly. All right, and you need to go back and double check whether or not you insert the pixels to the right location. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now, let me just do another website to give you the demo. These samples, right? Let's say I will go to Lazada. Okay, the Lazada marketplace, right? So over right here, if you observe here, once I'm in here, even though I didn't click on the pixel helpers, very fast on the right hand side, it will show an indicator of green color tree. Yeah. So if I go to my website over right here, you will realize that the indicator is showing 0, like nothing happens, right? And if I go to Lazada, if you can see, the extension actually, it changed color and there's like a number 3 right there. This means that the pixel detected there's a Facebook pixel installed on this website. All right. So when I click on here, you can see, ta-da, it will give you exactly the Facebook pixel ID as well. So you can just double check and ensures that, hey, on this website, indeed there's a Facebook pixel detected, and this Facebook pixel ID, this is the one. All right. So what you need to do is you need to go to your Facebook Ads Manager and double check on your pixels ID from there. And over right here, you just need to come here and cross check. All right. So you just cross check and to see if the pixel ID is the same ID. So if in this case, the ID match, congratulations, you have successfully installed the pixels. Trackings to your website. So again, like I mentioned, I don't own Lazada, definitely, right? But I'm able to track on other websites as well. So let's say right now, I go to Shopee website. So the same thing over right here on Shopee website, I'm able to detect there's a pixel as well. So if I click on that, I'll be able to see the pixel ID on Shopee website as well. So this is the way that a very, very fast way, and to ensure, I think this is the most important thing before even you launch your advertisements, right? You need to ensure that the pixel is working and the pixel is able to track the data. Or else it'll be waste. It will be a waste. So this Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension is a very good tool that especially is a free tool to help you to actually detect if you have installed correctly the tracking codes to the website itself. So I think you can just try it out. It is actually an extension that we all are using, so it works perfectly for me as well, and something that I would just like to share with you all. All right, so over right here, if you have successfully installed the Facebook Pixel, and if the the Chrome extension is working for you, you can leave a comment below, and remember to help us like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.